Hi, my name is Konrad Punin.
Hi, my name is Thon Kanchana.
Hi, my name is Trương Suthevita.
We are H2O Revive.
Our team saw a lot of problems in Cambodia. Many people use a lot of water every day. This cause make water to be waste, which is bad for the earth.
That's why we decided to create a system that called H2O Revive.
What is H2O Revive?
H2O Revive is a filtration system that filters rainwater as a reusable water. We use simple filter to clean our water, making it safe for different uses like cleaning and watering plants.
If we save and reuse water, it could make a big benefit, such as saving the environment more clean, healthy, safe, and more sustainable.
The system reduces water waste, provide water source, and promote sustainable. This is how our system works. Rainwater flows through a pipe into the storage tank. Filtering materials is added to help clean the water, and a filter removes contaminants to ensure safety. The collected water is used for cleaning buildings, factories, and constructions. Meanwhile, wastewater from bathroom and shower is drainable.
Thank you for your time.
Goodbye,
Bye.
everyone.